What can I say? I'm awesome like that. Here we go. Hello everyone, Sats here, how you guys doing? Right, let's carry on with Chainsaw Man, and last week was his societal debut, with a lot of collateral damage and surprisingly few casualties. Yeah, he worked hard for that, but still, he pretended not to care. But kind of did. He did just allow a lot of people, but it was quite the clash. Hopefully there were cameras everywhere and they took pictures. Yeah, I don't think Makima's going to like that, but anyway, yeah. Jake was still swallowed, but I think she should be out now and explaining herself somehow. I mean, she seems to be a fan favorite, so he has to forgive her, right? You just give her a flick, and she did promise a feel. Yeah, Denji is such a juvenile. Alright, let's see what actually happens. Here we go. Okay. She's slurping birdies. And I remember what happened to the cat. Yeah, that's what happened to the cat. And poor hippo, you're next. That was a bear. Well, either way, next. That's your blood. Is she just drinking your blood? Yeah. That's all she does. She's the blood demon. And this brave cat has been following her this whole time. That's why she did the betrayal for it. Anyway, we're just seeing how she got into town. I mean, she's naked. Obviously, she gets stalked. Oh! Hey! Ah. I felt that fall. Yeah, we know. Okay, so, she actually... well... Yeah, I was safe. And now you are too. You save the cat, he saves you. And comes with you. Yeah. He wants that. Yes, but okay, it's true to his character though. Yes, she said that. You gonna do it? Or no, this is not the mood. Oh! Whoa, what the hell just happened? And yeah, ate your hand. Ugh. Another demon came out. Come on! So, a new challenge arrives and here each arm. God damn it. Okay, we're kind of fucked. And you're not changing. Guess you're low energy. Yeah, you kind of went all out last time. Oh, shit. They had houses. Okay. Yeah, no deal. Okay. Ah, you know you're in your own body. How are you still okay after that? And why is she trying? How did she take his arm off? She has some kind of projectile, doesn't she? Whoa! Yeah. Where are the cops? He actually punched her. And now she's gonna eat you. Oh. Honestly, good effort with all you can do. Really? But if you do that, then what's left? No, it's not. Yeah, he needs to cut that view. He's still going! Okay, you actually got her! With the chainsaw. No, it's basically a headbutt. Okay, look, let's face it, they're trash. Okay, he moves. How are you navigating this 3D environment, honestly? Oh, wait, it's actually using it. Nice. Yeah, he's using Betty's intestines to tie her up. And another headbutt. Wow, okay. He is bound to run out of steam soon. Okay, you should be freaked out. How are they making this much commotion and no one has come yet? Where are the other demon hunter people? Ah, she got him. You better shoot properly or else... Oh, Luke is here. Whoa! Where did that come from? Seriously, you guys are late. Who are you other guys? Yeah, that's our cat. Hey, Dinge. You're up. Still got both arms? Yeah, okay. You found it. Alright. It's attached. Lucky. So, he also has a demon contract with a fox just here. Oh, come on! He's on the sick bed. Yeah, he doesn't remember much. No. Okay, everybody wants to meet him, but nope, no. Yeah, that other guy, he had... And what would that be? So basically be a good subordinate? Yeah, very small. Like very. And again, that is a big deal. He actually stops himself just to pick the tie. Professional. Huh, he's actually doing the same. Okay, he's actually going out of it for them. He did say he would. Yeah, I'm not sure it's good or bad, but it's there. Wow, okay, they're just animating every facet of this morning. And very well, too. I feel like it's showing off, but nah, it's just how it does in the manga, isn't it? Yeah. Something's about to ruin your morning. Yeah, I think he's up. Okay, morning's still safe. And that haircut. It's definitely danger. He's the only one that's rude. Yeah, it's up. Wait, is she moving in? Wait, Yowie? Ah, keep on letting, yeah, his power. Okay, power. Yeah! Your mornings are gone. It was barely there with just Denji, but with power there now, yeah, they're gone. Sorry, your routine is gone. Yeah, you know you like blood, but... Oh! She doesn't like veggies, so fair enough. He loves that shit. That's all he eats to eat was bread. Wow, okay, they have a TUMBLR here. Yeah, he's TUMBLR. Even Denji's not happy about this. Ew, dude, don't do that. You want a few? Oh, good time. He just bounced in, biting you. Okay, but why a toilet though? Okay, let's hear them. 3 squeezers. Okay, but how long are each squeezers? No, she's not. Oh, so we have unique endings for each episode. Neat. So yeah, that is nice. Like I said, his mornings are gone. Denji was, at least he slept through all that, but Power looks a bit too energetic. I doubt she ever sleeps, so he's not gonna have that peaceful moment where he can just calm down, brush his teeth, go make coffee, sit in the balcony and read his book. That's not gonna happen anymore. He is stuck with the two of them. Is Denji about to cut that feel? And 3D, lucky bastard. She might bite it off later, though, if he goes overboard. Who knows? But anyway, yeah, as a crew, we did have a look at the team. Just a slight look. Don't know what they're about. And he also has a demon of his own. Okay. I mean, it seems to be more of the official contract, not the one Denji did with... Well, oh yeah, I don't think Denji actually did a contract. It's just that Pucci really likes him. Just, you know what? Let me just be a hard to guy, basically. So I don't think it's really an official contract there. Okay. Are the others also going to have their own? I'm wondering, what are the other fighting styles? I guess that's stuff to be discovered down the line after he gets his feel. You probably want to do the one and save the other two for later. Yeah, that's space enough. I'm up for it. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, it really helps out. Any comments, I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do and check out my other stuff. See you guys next time. Bye.